Hi, today what we going to discuss about how to use printf and scanf statement in C programming with format specifier. Okay, this is first class in this channel, Mr.Freshers. What are the two important functions in C? Input and output function. Okay, these two functions, printf and scanf, are inbuilt function. What is that? Inbuilt function. So for printf, output, scanf, input. So what is printf function? Printf function used for printing message to the output screen. Okay, display message on the output screen. So that we can use printf function. It's an inbuilt function. Otherwise, you say that library function. Which format you want to be display message to the output screen? We can change the format. Which can change the format of message. So when you use printf function, you must include studio.h as include studio.h header file. This header file contains input and output operations, not only for printf and scanf function like put c, get c, put char, get char. These functions are operations are there in this file. So later we'll discuss about this file in some other class. Okay, as of now, you concentrate what is printf, what is scanf. So what is expansion of studio? Stands for standard input and output. Standard input and so now I see syntax printf that allow world going to be print to the output screen. Okay, allow world going to be print to the output screen within the double quotation. So now scanf function for input function to read input value from the user, input value from the user, printer printing the value to the user. If you want to print value to the user, you can use percentage %d in printf statement. If you want read the value from the user, you use percentage %d in scanf statement. See the difference. Percentage %d for what? Percentage %d for like reading value, reading value, reading value, printing value as decimal. Format specifier, percentage for format specifier. What is use of ampersand? What is use of ampersand? Ampersand means that value of variable num is placed at variable address. What are the format specifier in C? So this format specifier, this all format specifier in C frequently used. Percentage %d for display integer value, S for string value, C for character value, F for float value, LF for double value. This format specifier used frequently in C programming language. So many format specifier are there, so on. Okay, now we concentrate this important format specifiers. Give an example for printf and scanf. So printf, here I'm using one simple message hello world for printing to the output screen. So that I'm using printf function. Within the bracket I use insert in double quotation some message hello world. So answer hello world. Next example, see I given value 100 to the num variable as integer data type. So numeric I am using here. So that I am integer data type used. So I'm going to be print. I'm going to be print percentage %d of num, percentage %d within this double quotes comma num. So how output will come? No, this percentage %d for printing number is replaced by that value. What is the value? 100. So 100 will be. In scanf I said it is reading value from the user, reading value from the user. Enter the value of num. I am asking to the user, please enter the value of num. In scanf statement, once user enter the value of num 100, see the output box 100 I am entering, that value is reading by variable num, reading by variable num. That value is placed at address of variable num. So I am reading value, right? Okay, so I am using percentage. How I wanted to format the message, the value is percentage %d. The value is come. This percentage %d replaced by value of variable. What is the value of variable? 100. I hope you are understood so far. Now we'll see demo in IDE. Okay, with compiler for C.